This is Ally.
And this is Claire.
And
welcome to our channel. Now guys, magluluto kami ng lechon paksiw since kami ang naatasan for our lunch for today.
And guys, take note, hindi kami marunong magluto nito. So, let's just see kung ano yung reaction ng family namin after nila
Yes. Good luck!
Good luck, fam!
Kaya samahan niyo kami na matuto how to cook lechon paksiw! So, update guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Lola Mommy's.
Dito kami kakain ng dinner.
Yay! So guys, I think that will be all for today. I hope you enjoy watching our video.
And if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. And if you want to get updated with our new videos, just click the bell button beside it. And then if you like this video, please click thumbs up. And if you have questions or suggestions, please comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.
Till our next vlog!
Bye!
Whoop. Bye!